idea that I had was to implement some sort of class that high school seniors had to take during their last year of high school. In this class, I wanted to better prepare them for the social aspect of college. And I wanted to do this by bringing in speakers that could share both positive and negative experiences with the students, presentations, and the biggest thing that I wanted to do in the class was kind of like a field trip where some of the high school seniors would go and spend a few days with the college freshmen and go through their life with them and see what it really is like on living on campus. The biggest challenge that I think I'm going to have with my idea is the funding of it. And I thought I could do this by investors or donations or maybe even grants. So being a student yourself, what do you think of my challenge and how would you solve it?
I think it's a good idea because when I was in 6th grade, they try to prep you for junior high where you change classes, and then in junior high they try to prep you for high school. So I don't see why it would be any different, why we can't, you know, help seniors acclimate to what the freshman year is going to be like, considering so many freshmen struggle. So I think that's a good idea. The one issue that I would have is, obviously selecting the freshmen that you would pool them with, because you'd obviously want someone that's a good student and a good student and a good positive influence.
Okay.
Because a lot of freshmen that show up at college, it's their first time away from mom and dad, so they want to, they live out and their social life
Yeah.
blooms while their academics struggle. And I agree with you, the funding's probably going to be an issue until you can prove that it actually works and you have a better success rate percentage-wise for incoming college freshmen that go on to their sophomore year. I think it's a really good idea. I'd like to see it implemented in most high schools.
Okay, thank you.